Hello kids, I have a magic box. Let's open the box and see what is there inside. Hoo-hoo! There are so many letters. Let's play with the letters and have some fun. So let's see what we can do with the letters. Wow! Here I have a puzzle of letters. So we have to put all the letters in the puzzle and we have to fill it. So let's see which letter comes out first. Letter K. Now, what comes out next? Oh, letter X. Now, after that, let's see which letter comes out from the box. Oh, letter B. Now, after letter B, what comes out next? Oh, I got letter S. So let's put it in the puzzle. Now let's see again what letter comes out. Oh, letter R. Let's put it in the puzzle. Let's see again which letter comes out from the box. Letter Y. Let's put it in the puzzle. Very good. Now, which letter coming out from the box? Yes, letter L. We got letter L. Let's put it in the puzzle. Again, let's find one more letter. Which letter is this? Letter C. Wow. Okay, so now which letter coming out? Letter G. Again, let's see which letter coming out from the box. This is letter Q. Let's put it in the puzzle. Okay, so now which letter coming out? Letter H. So let's put it in the puzzle. Okay, one more time. Let's see. This is letter A. After letter A, which letter is coming out? Letter M. After letter M, which letter is coming out? Letter E. Let's see which letter comes out next. Letter F. After letter F, which letter is coming out? Letter U. Okay, so we got so many letters. Let's see which letter is coming next. Okay, this is letter Z. Now after Z, which letter is coming out? Letter W. Let's put the letter in the puzzle. So let's see what comes after W. Letter D. So let's put letter D in the puzzle. After letter D, which letter is coming out? Letter I. After letter I, let's see which letter is coming. This is letter P. Let's put it in the puzzle. After letter P, which letter is coming? Letter N. Let's put it in the puzzle. Now, after letter N, let's see which letter is coming out. Letter O. Let's put it in the puzzle. So let's see which letter is coming out. Letter J. Let's put it in the puzzle. Now only 2 letters are remaining. Which letter is this? Letter V. Let's put it in the puzzle. So the last letter is letter T. Let's put it in the puzzle. Wow, very good, fantastic. You all did a great job.